Mayeni was complaining about Mangwabe. There is an issue between Mangwabe and Mpumelelo. So Mpumelelo was commenting about Mangwabe's daughter Zed Senande. He says, where did you get the kind of yet? Because there is no one in Seleku's family who have got the kind of yet. So it means that he is trying to say Senande is not Musam Seleku's daughter. So Mangwabe, she got angry. Mangwabe tells his father Musam Seleku. So Musam Seleku tried to solve that issue without involving Mayeni. That's why Mayeni, she is asking why Mangwabe didn't tell me about that issue. Mayeni most of the times doesn't want to be involved on Impumelelo's issue. That's why Mangwabe tells his father Msamseleku, because if Mangwabe, when she tells Mayeni, Mayeni can say, I don't want to be involved on Impumelelo's issue. I don't understand Mayeni what she wants. When they don't involve her on Impumelelo's issue, she complains. When she is being involved, they want to involve her. She is complaining, I don't want to be involved. I don't understand. Because Mayeni saw Mangwabe was explaining about it on Utando Nestembo season 8 on Diaries. But Mayeni did not know that there is something happened between Mpumelelo and Mangwabe. So Musamseleku tried to solve it without involving Mayeni. Yes, Mayeni most of the times doesn't want to be involved. When they don't tell her again, she is starting complaining. Mangwabe doesn't have an issue with Mayeni. Even she was very angry with Mpumelelo because Mangwabe knows that Mpumelelo, he is like his father Musamseleku. Mangwabe knows that Musamseleku doesn't want Mpumelelo to listen to Mayeni. If she can tell Mayeni, Mayeni can sit down with Mpumelelo and try to correct him. Musamseleku doesn't want Mayeni to correct Mpumelelo. So that's why Mangwabe says, I don't want you to be involved. Mangwabe doesn't want to involve Mayeni because Mpumelelo doesn't listen to his mother. Mpumelelo listen to his father Musamseleku. So even if Mayeni knows or Mayeni doesn't knows, it is the same. So that's why Musamseleku tried to solve that issue alone without involving her. Because Mayeni, sometimes when it comes to Mpumelelo, Mayeni doesn't have much power when it comes to Mpumelelo. Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they can cover each other, support each other in secretly. Even Mpumelelo, most of the time, he can support his father Musamseleku. Even Mayeni doesn't like the kind of thing. But in Mpumelelo, they support each other, they cover each other. Musamseleku brought a goat and he tried to have a ceremony for his daughter Zenande about Mpumelelo. What he says, you have heard Musamseleku was insulting Mpumelelo. No. Why? Because they know each other. Maybe it's Musamseleku talk about it. Maybe he was gossip about it, about Zenande's head. That's why Musamseleku have to avoid to discuss some of the issues in front of the kids. Even, especially Snare and Mpumelelo. Snare and Mpumelelo, the way Musamseleku is gossiping about other wives, about Makumalo and Mangwawe, that's why Snare says, I don't like them. What? It's about her father Musamseleku. He is the one who is talking bad things about those people, about Mangwawe and Makumalo. Even the way he says in front of his kids about Mangwawe's son that Mangwawe doesn't want to accept my daughter, but I accept his son. He was trying to say what in front of his kids. And those kids, when they saw Mangwawe's son tomorrow, they are going to say, what they are going to act, because it's about their father Musamseleku. So Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they know each other. That's why Musamseleku didn't comment many things, because he knows that he is the one who was discussing about it. And Mpumelelo now, he is trying to talk about it. Mpumelelo can't talk things he didn't hear with his ears. It's about his father Msamseleku, they know each other, Msamseleku and Mpumelelo. That's why Mangwabe doesn't want to involve Mayeni, because Mayeni can't say such of the words.